Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unbox video by me for, of course, you. Today, let me introduce you this device here, the Jump Peak wireless car adapter. And it's not only a standard wireless car adapter, it is a 2-in-1 wireless car adapter with a range of 10 meters and auto connect and mini size. It requires iOS 10 for the iPhone Plus or Android 11 and Plus for the Android phones because this is a 2-in-1 wireless adapter. This device here can bring your device, your smartphone, if it is an Apple or an Android device, into your car system. This wireless adapter is designed exclusively for cars that already have their own wired CarPlay, Android Auto function, and do not support cars without CarPlay or Android Auto functionality. If our car has been dead, then you can make it by using this wireless car adapter wireless. The adapter can only be reconnected to one device at a time. If there are multiple phone presents, we should ensure that not only the user's phone is connected with the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi signal of the adapter Outerlink. And, of course, we are going to easy peasy dock this. As you can see, if you have an USB-C port, like in this Mercedes here, you can connect it there. The dongle will be then shown that it can be Apple or CarPlay. Go with Android Auto app. So you take the Android Auto app out of your Android smartphone system, start this, and you can use there the Bluetooth function. And after you are going to use the Bluetooth function, you can start with pairing process. Easy peasy, eh? Okay. And of course, we are going to use it then. After that pairing is done, we can use it as our navigation system. We can use it for phone calls. We can use this for messengers. We can use this for playback music or podcast or what you like. Of course, we have to agree the Android stuff, and then we are in. And this means if you leave the car and come back, it will be already there. If the ignition is switched on, you can use that. There are now not so much information on the screen because my smartphone does not supply an internet connection at this time. But if you have an internet connection with your smartphone, of course, because it's a mobile phone, you can navigate. You can see because of the GPS where you are, and you can use voice command, for example. You can use your contact. You can edit your contact list. You can nearly do a lot of stuff by using your device with that. You can also enter search the internet, for example, and you can use the touch screen of the Mercedes, but you can already use, of course, the touch screen of your smartphone to navigate or, of course, to enter something in a checkbox or something else. If you like to go back to the Mercedes-Benz system, you can use the Mercedes app, which you can see in the Android Auto home screen, and that brings you back to Mercedes-Benz ecosystem, of course. And then, of course, on the left upper side, you can enter back into Android Auto all the time as you need it and as you like it, of course. Easy peasy, eh? So we have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The signal name should be Outerlink, AUTOLINK, and the serial number. We have an input interface, USB-A male, equipped with an additional USB-A to USB-C extension cable. The input voltage is of course 5 volt because it's USB. Wi-Fi Bluetooth module frequency are 2.4 gigahertz and Bluetooth. It supports Bluetooth in the version 5. And so you can see you have a lot of possibilities to connect it with your car. The applicable system version should be iOS 10 Plus or Android 11 Plus or younger. It supports mobile phones, iPhone 6 and later, the iPhones models, for example, Android phones that support Android Auto, because there's a big bunch of possibility there. And then you can be easy peasy use this 2-in-1 wireless car adapter to make your car smarter than before. Of course your car will be smart, but it's smarter by using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And that is possible with this device here, with that Jumppeak 2-in-1 wireless car adapter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.